This trophy is solid gold. But underneath the gold lies something no one expects. Before the gold, before the glory, it begins as the horn of a Grey Brahman bull. These cattle are raised for beef. Here, nothing is wasted. Even the horn begins a second life. At the workshop, every horn is reed like wood grain. 3. Only the finest are chosen for the trophy.
Horn is nature's plastic. Heat it, and this rigid material softens like warm glass.
Once soft, the horn can be pressed, layered, and shaped into almost any form. Under tons of pressure, separate horns fuse into a single solid block.
Every cut is permanent, and there is no undo when you carve natural horn.
Invisible seams join each section, building the height the trophy needs.
Now the silhouette appears, two figures rising toward a world held high.
Dozens of grits, each finer than the last, erase every last scratch.
Before any gold, the horn itself is polished to a deep, natural shine. Real gold leaf, so fragile a breath can tear it, settles onto the horn.
From a dull grey horn to brilliant gold, Faye.
One bull's horn. Weeks of work. A champion's trophy born from the most unlikely material.
This production by NextForge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. NextForge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.